That was
an absolute disaster.
one of the worst experiences of my life. My stress levels were so high.
When the seatbelt sign is cut off in time to that time, do not place on your line, release your seatbelt. Low and tight at all times while
And good morning from Bangkok, guys.
And just like that, we are in a different country.
Yes,
so
we are.
You'd probably guess by now, guys, our trip in Pakistan has come to an end, and we have got a flight from Islamabad airport directly to Bangkok, which is something we actually didn't know we could do.
4 hours and 15 minutes it took us.
Very, very, very surprised. And that was one of the main reasons why we chose Thailand as our next destination, actually.
Yeah.
It was a direct flight from Islamabad. So we will be going back, hopefully. But for now, our adventures in Thailand begin.
Woohoo! Zakariya! Hello, honey pony. Oh, Zakariya's 7th flight, and he was an absolute dream. We've just disturbed him because it is now just gone past 6 o'clock in the morning.
We've been up all day long, and we got a couple of hours keep on the flight. But Zakariya is absolutely shattered, but he's been at Little Bala here. Well, actually, we've got an amazing little story to tell you.
So, the reason why you're not seeing any footage when we were in Pakistan airport, because there was a very stressful situation that took place at check-in.
Oh my god, honestly, right.
I was about to lose my rag.
Yeah, so we booked our tickets online through, I can't remember the online, My Trip I think it was. And when I did the selections, I booked 35 kilos each for our luggage, because we had loads and loads of stuff. We were packed for 80 kilos worth of stuff. However, when we got into check-in, right, we were told that we only had 50 kilos in total. 20 kilos for me and Nadia each, and 10 kilos for Zakariya. We had 75 kilos worth of stuff in total physically when we check-in. So we had to somehow, within 15 minutes before check-in closed, rearrange all our stuff, decide on what we want to throw away at the airport so that we have 50 kilos worth of stuff.
My Heinz beans got thrown away, my snack pots.
Yeah, so
everybody knows me, I crave beans and toast when I'm traveling, and I'm absolutely gutted. Can't be in Heinz. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know, innit?
Honestly, I was absolutely gutted on all the things that we had to throw away. The main thing that I was concerned about while we were dumping stuff was his food, his baby formula. I think we've got a few boxes of that, so I need to check what we did and what we didn't throw away. But his stuff like his nappies and everything. I know.
Oh, so sorry, Bobo, but we did get your bouncer.
Yeah.
We did get your bouncer.
We did keep your bouncer.
Yeah,
I know.
We did, I promise.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you look like a cutie pie.
Hello.
You cute.
So one thing I would say, if you're packing your stuff and leaving Islamabad airport, is make sure if you've got any batteries or anything like that in your backpack or in your suitcase, put them in an accessible situation, because when it goes through the security scanners, they will pick up on it and they will open your suitcase. I just don't understand why. We travel all across the world and they've never questioned batteries being in our suitcase, but for some reason Islamabad airport, they just get a bit funny about batteries in your backpack. But just make them accessible so you can take them out, show them that this is a battery, and they will let you go. That took a lot of time, and then when we found out that we were way over, we just didn't have enough time to sort our stuff out. But hopefully we managed to do it. But anyway, in order to enter Thailand now, you don't need any COVID tests or anything. You need to be vaccinated, you need to have health insurance, and fill out your Thai pass before you get in. So the Thai pass I'll link down below, and then you get the Thai pass approval email, and you have to show that QR code along with your passport at immigration. So we're going through now, and let's see what happens. So guys, we have our luggage, still quite a lot, even though we dumped so much in Pakistan. But I have to say that the immigration process was very straightforward, right?
Yeah, it's so smooth, straightforward, went in. I mean, there's times like this where you appreciate having a British passport, because we come from Pakistan and there was people that had to fill out loads of forms, and then there was a separate queue. But coming from the UK, We just go ball it straight to immigration.
Yeah.
And straight through.
We've got one more hurdle right now. We have to go and get our check-in done for our connecting flight to Koh Samui, because that's where we're flying to directly, because we are going to be meeting two very good friends of ours out there. All will be revealed in the next vlog. So we're going to go and check in to our next flight, which is to Koh Samui. I am thirsty. I'm a teeny bit hungry as well. To get us through, I definitely need a bout of coffees.
Oh yeah, and I just want to say, guys, you know, this is the true aspects of traveling sometimes. It's not always sunshine and roses. You do get days where you do have a bad travel day, and that's what we want to share with you, is true experiences. So guys, I need a cup of coffee, and we will see you in a sec. We've made it onto the flight, and Zakariya has been an absolute legend. He's shattered and
Exhausted.
and he's sleeping. Bless him. Like, he literally sleeps in anything now.
Literally, when we got to Bangkok airport, he finally went to sleep, and he's been moved about but hasn't shifted the slightest.
We literally come off the plane and he had something to eat and he knocked out. We had to take him out of his pram where he was fully sleeping, and he didn't even flinch. That's how tired he is. So we're on the last leg of our journey now, guys. We're almost there. 1 more hour and we'll make it to Koh Samui, inshallah. And then we are just gonna chill. We've booked us a nice hotel, which we'll show you and give you a room tour later. I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the evening. I don't even care if it's raining right now, because we're gonna have chill vibes.
Yeah. So guys, on the way to hotel. We'll see you there in 1, 2, 3.
We have just made it to our hotel. Let's give you a bit of a show around, shall we? It actually looks very nice. You've got your moped parking area, and our suitcase is out here. It's a bit humid today, but hopefully we'll get ourselves checked in. Yeah, you're right, Irfan.
Chilling.
I don't know you. I don't want to see it.
No, he likes everyone.
Yeah, he
He
does.
likes everyone.
His name is Zakariya. Oh, lovely. Look at these. You've got a nice little welcome drinks. Banana juice. Let's try it.
Let's try it and we'll find out,
Go on,
yeah?
Irfan.
Go on,
Oh,
let's
got
try it
lovely
out.
refreshing towels too.
Oh, it's nice and cold as well.
Cold.
Oh, it's nice. It's like nutty.
Nutty. Refreshing towel. Ah, yeah, there's nothing better than getting your hands washed, isn't it, after a long day of travel.
This is what you need. You know the best thing to do, right?
I was a bit scared. Oh, Irfan.
Oh, that feels so good. So we are just arriving at the hotel room now, and I'm just going to do a quick room tour and show you what the rooms in Lana Hotel are like. Is it Lana? Is it Lana or Lana?
Lana Samui.
Ah, Lana Samui Hotel. So let's go. Nice little entrance, and one of the main reasons why we chose this room, this hotel is, you have a little kitchenette area with a kettle, some complimentary water, ooh, teas and coffee, and a stove, which is perfect because we need to sterilize Zakariya's bottles and all that kind of stuff. Nice, lovely toilet with a rainfall shower. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, so you got a microwave and a fridge freezer. Lovely. Little area to put your clothes and stuff. Oh wow, look at this. Nice, big double bed. Yes. Sofa, nice modern TV. You got an LG TV, looks like it's got Netflix and everything. Main thing, air conditioning, which you need when you're here in hot countries. And look at that view, man. Wow. So you got a nice pool view room. Obviously it's raining currently, and I think the doors opens where you can now go and look at the room. Wow, look at that, man. That is a quick room tour. As you can see, the hotel is very modern, very nice, and we paid about £30 for the night here. Breakfast is not included, but I think for an extra £7-8 you can have breakfast as well, and it looks really nice. I had a look at the menu. And one other thing that's really good about this hotel is individual Wi-Fi boxes in the room, which means that the internet speed is very quick. It's about 50-60 meg upload and about 20 meg download speeds, which is really good. But anyway guys, that's the hotel room tour done. Let's check back and see what Nadia and Zakariya are up to.
So, good morning guys. It's the next morning and we had, I've got to say, one of the most epic sleeps we've had in a while. Although Zakariya was awake at 2 AM, wide awake, playing. He did sleep for 8.5 hours straight. So yeah, we've had a lovely stay here. It is now 2:15. Our hotel has been absolutely epic. They've let us check out a little bit later than normal. I've got to say, 10 out of 10. If I was to come back, I would definitely stay here. It's such a calm vibe. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna end the vlog here. Definitely recommend this place. The food is absolutely epic. We are gonna make our way now to Koh Phangan to meet some beautiful friends. Stay tuned for the next vlog. But in the meantime guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Follow your visions and we'll see you guys on the next one.
I want to be in the video too. See you on the next one.